Hi everyone, welcome to Rooster's Road Trips and Exploration Unknown. Today I'm taking a solo trip. I'm going to be driving about 9 hours from Denver, Colorado all the way up to Powell, Wyoming. Going up to visit my cousin Jim up there, and should be a beautiful ride, should be a real nice ride, should be able to see some beautiful views. If I see anything cool along the way, I'm going to stop and get some video of it. So come along for the ride. Hope you enjoy. Alright, I've made it to Wyoming. Been driving for about an hour now. We're heading up towards Powell still. Stopped at the information center here in Wyoming. It's at exit 4. Welcome to Wyoming. Beautiful morning here in Wyoming. The temperature is about 81 degrees. Cruising down the road. Unfortunately, about 5 miles into Wyoming, I ended up getting a rock into my windshield. Isn't that nice? You can see it's pretty desolate out here. Not a whole lot out on the range, but very pretty morning so far. Temperature's not too bad, not a whole lot of traffic. I'm really looking forward to the trip, looking forward to relaxing it, cutting loose a little bit, just forgetting about work, forgetting about everything back at home, and gonna unwind and enjoy myself. So alright, I just drove through Casper, about 97 miles from Shoshone. Beautiful country out here. Casper was a little bit lackluster, not much to see there. I think I'm going to stop up here at this gas station and get some fuel. I'm about 20 miles out of Shoshone, traveling on U.S. Highway 2025, which is also known as the Sand Creek Massacre Trail. I've arrived in Shoshone. You're checking out Hell's Half Acre. Very cool sight to see. Right here off of US Highway 2025. Close to Shoshone.
Powell's half acre here in Wyoming. Almost a Shoshone. Really cool place to see.
Entering Boysen State Park. Just got through Shoshone and headed towards Cody now, and just entered Boysen State Park. There's some mountain ranges around here. It's pretty cool looking, pretty neat. I expected to see a whole lot more wildlife than I'm seeing along the way so far. Hopefully we'll see some more on the trip, but haven't got to see much wildlife at all. A couple of antelope here and there, but not as much as you would think would be out here in the middle of nowhere. Just entered Wind River Indian Reservation. Pretty cool through here, man. The mountains are lake. Very nice, very nice. This is the booming town of Hermopolis. We'll be coming up on Cody here in 2.5 miles. Alright, after about 8 hours of driving, made it to Powell. Just pulling into the city now. Roll down the window and let you take a look.